So in this quick video, we are going to see how you can get a permanent link to a document within SharePoint that doesn't expire and is also valid even if the document is renamed or moved to a different folder or to a different document library within the same site collection. Okay, so in this quick video, we are going to see how you can get a permanent link to a document within SharePoint that doesn't expire and is also valid even if the document is renamed or moved to a different folder or to a different document library within the same site collection. So the idea is you enable a feature in SharePoint called the Document ID service. The Document ID service, what it does is it allocates every document within the site collection a unique document ID. So you can see here, there's my document ID for each of these documents, and it's effectively a prefix which is configurable. Then it has this set of codes which actually corresponds to the document library that you're currently working in, and then finally this final code which is actually the ID of the document within the document library. Now that is guaranteed to be unique within the current site collection. It will stay with the document regardless of whether it's moved or renamed or updated. Doesn't matter, this document ID stays the same. So what we want now is we want to be able to get a link to the document using that Doc ID service. How do we do that? Well, on the document in question, what you do is click on the three dots to the side of the document, click on Details, brings up the Details panel on the right hand side. Then as you scroll down, under Properties, you'll see the document ID listed as one of the properties. It's actually a link. So what you do is simply right click on the link. There's an option to copy link address. And if I then pop that document ID into the address bar here, or that link rather, into the address bar, what you'll notice is that the URL to the document is now based on the document ID itself. So there's no reference to the document name or the path to the document. There is no expiring link here. This is effectively a permanent link to the document which will not expire and which remains valid even if the document is renamed or moved to a different folder or library within the same site collection. Okay, so pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Yes, there's a few little clicks to get the doc ID, but it's certainly worth it because it saves a lot of hassle, say in a few months' time or a year's time, when you want to make sure that these links remain valid. So again, just to reiterate, go to the details for the document in question, scroll down to where it says Document ID for the document, right click on it and copy link address.